Windows do more than bring in natural light. They protect your home, support energy efficiency, and contribute to overall comfort. Over time, however, even well-installed windows can develop issues. Some problems may seem minor at first, but ignoring them can lead to bigger concerns down the road. For homeowners in Coppell, recognizing common window problems early can help preserve comfort, efficiency, and long-term home value. Drafts around the frame. One of the most noticeable window problems is a draft. If you feel air movement near a closed window, that's a sign something isn't sealing properly. In Coppell homes, drafts often develop due to worn weather stripping, shifting frames, or aging materials. Even small gaps allow outdoor air to enter and conditioned air to escape, affecting indoor comfort. Difficulty opening or closing windows should operate smoothly. If you find yourself forcing a window open or struggling to close it completely, that's a clear warning sign. In Coppell residences, sticking or jammed windows may indicate frame misalignment, swelling, or track damage. Delaying attention can lead to further wear and reduce overall functionality. Condensation between glass panes. Moisture trapped between panes of glass is a sign of seal failure. Modern windows are typically constructed with insulated glass units, and when the seal breaks, condensation can form inside. Coppell homeowners who notice fogging between panes should not ignore it. Seal failure reduces insulation performance and can affect energy efficiency. Visible frame damage. Cracks, warping, peeling, or soft spots in window frames are common issues in aging windows. In Coppell homes, damaged frames can compromise structural stability and create gaps that allow air or moisture to enter. Addressing visible frame damage early helps prevent more serious problems. Increased outdoor noise. If you begin noticing more outdoor noise than usual, your windows may not be providing the insulation they once did. Older or compromised windows in Coppell properties may allow sound to travel indoors more easily. This can impact comfort, especially in busy neighborhoods. Rising energy bills. An unexpected increase in energy use can sometimes be traced back to inefficient windows. When windows fail to seal properly, indoor systems must work harder to maintain temperature. Coppell homeowners who notice unexplained changes in energy performance should consider inspecting their windows. Water stains or leaks. Water intrusion around windows is a serious issue that should never be overlooked. Stains, peeling paint, or moisture near window frames in Coppell homes may indicate improper sealing or drainage problems. Left untreated, water damage can spread to surrounding walls and structures. Warped or outdated hardware. Locks and latches play an important role in both security and proper sealing. If hardware feels loose, outdated, or difficult to operate, Coppell homeowners should consider repairs or upgrades. Functional locks ensure windows close tightly and securely. Fading interior furnishings. Excessive sunlight can fade flooring, furniture, and decor over time. If you notice uneven fading near windows in your Coppell home, it may indicate inadequate glass performance. Addressing this early helps protect interior finishes. When to seek professional help. While some minor issues can be maintained temporarily, recurring or worsening problems often require professional evaluation. For homeowners in Coppell, addressing common window concerns promptly prevents small issues from becoming costly repairs. By paying attention to drafts, seal failures, operational difficulties, and visible damage, you protect both your home's comfort and its long-term value. Windows are a vital part of your home's performance. Recognizing and responding to early warning signs ensures your living space remains efficient, secure, and comfortable year-round.